Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to remove the front bumper on your Infiniti Q50. First, what you have to do is to open the hood. What you have to do is to lift the trim plastic pieces from each side of the car, and you will have a bolt, a 10mm bolt, this one, which you will have to remove from each corner on this side, and also you will have another one onto the other side. This one right here. After that, you will have to remove all the little plastic bolts, all of these bolts from this plastic piece, and remove completely from the car. After that, you will have under the front bumper, I think it's 10 bolts, which you will have to use a 10mm key to remove all of this. Also, after you remove all of these nuts, you will have to remove two nuts under the front fender. One is right here, and the other one is holding the plastic cover for the wheel. And you will also have the same thing for the other side. In order to remove the plastic cover from the front bumper, what you have to do is to take a flat screwdriver and also a star screwdriver, because you will need both of them to remove the plastic screws from the cover. As you can see, all of these little screws are made from plastic and it's very easy to break them, so be careful when you're doing this. The screw which is holding the bumper on this side, you will have to use a 10mm socket, and also you will have to do this onto the other side. Already removed all the 10 bolts from under the bumper off camera, and those are the bolts. You will have to use also a 10mm socket to remove them. On this side, I already removed the plastic screw from the wheel dust cover, and now what I have to do is to remove the screw from the bumper. It's a 10mm screw, and you will also have to remove it on this side and also onto the other side. This side, you will also have to remove the plastic screw from the dust wheel cover, and after that you will have to pry the dust cover open with your hand. It's very easy, you don't have to use any tool. Just pry it open like this, and after that you will find the 10mm screw which is holding the bumper onto the fender. You will also have to remove this one. In order to remove the bumper completely from the car, what you have to do is to pull from the side, as I'm doing here. Just make sure you don't break any plastic piece. You have to be careful when doing this, and after that you have to pull from the middle. And if you removed all the bolts, the bumper should come off very easy. Just be careful when you're removing the bumper. You will still have connected the wires for the fog lights, and make sure you disconnect them, because otherwise you can break the wires very easy. So on this side you will have two wires, one is for the fog lights and the other one I think is for the sensors. As you can see, I already removed the one for the fog lights, and now I will have to remove this one for the sensors. It's just a little difficult with your hand. And also onto the other side you will have more wires and more connectors, which you will also have to remove. I think those are also for the blinkers. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.